Hi, this is Melissa Schneider, and I wanted to share with you one of the recent Google Docs updates, and that is an update they made to the revision history feature. So in the past, you could go to File, and there was an option called Revision History, and it let you look at the changes that had been made to a document over time. Their most recent update has renamed this feature, and it's now called Version History. And what this allows the users to do is to name versions. Now, the way this could be applied in a classroom, which I think is a great feature, is you could call something rough draft and save it. And after you have rough draft, you might do some peer editing, you might make some changes, take out these paragraphs, add some new paragraphs, or so on. And then I can go back to File, and I can go to Version History, and I can rename my current version and call it draft 2, because I already had a rough draft, now I have draft 2, and so on. And so I can keep going back and making changes. As a teacher and as a student collaborator, what you can then do is you can see the version histories and you can look at them by name. So I can say, oh, I want to go back and compare what my rough draft looked like in relation to draft 2, what changes were made in between. And so it highlights the things I deleted or strike through, and then highlights things that were added in that draft. It's a great way to look at the writing process as students are going. And you can turn on so only those named versions show. So you could see a student's work from its inception all the way through to their finished project just by naming the versions as they go. So I highly advise you to start training your students to use this version history instead of making copies of documents to save them throughout their writing process. Thanks.